Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you that you can start making extra money without spending a single dime? In this video, I'm sharing 7 legit side hustles you can start today with zero investment, and yes, they actually work. Let's shift your money mindset and start building real income streams. 1. Freelancing, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Do you have any skills like writing, graphic design, or video editing? You can start freelancing right now on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Create a simple profile, offer a niche service, and start small. The best part: you don't need any money to get started, just your skills and consistency. 2. Print on demand, using Canva, Printful, Etsy. No inventory, no shipping. Just design and earn. Use free tools like Canva to create simple t-shirt, mug, or hoodie designs, and list them on Etsy using a print-on-demand service like Printful. You only pay when you get paid. 3. Affiliate marketing. With social media or a blog, you can earn commissions just by recommending products you already love. Join free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Digistore24. Post product reviews, tutorials, or listicles on TikTok, Instagram, or a simple blog. 4. Selling digital products on Gumroad or Etsy. You can create digital planners, resume templates, ebooks, or budgeting sheets using free tools like Canva or Google Docs. Then, sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. You build it once and sell it over and over. 5. Tutoring or coaching, online or local. Are you good at math, languages, or even fitness? Start offering tutoring services online through Zoom or on platforms like Superprof or Preply. No cost to join, just your knowledge. 6. Dropshipping with free trials. You can start a Shopify store using a free trial, and use dropshipping tools like Zendrop or Dropshipping to sell products without holding inventory. Yes, this one is a bit more involved, but it's possible to start with $0 if you're smart with free trials and social media promotion. 7. Create a YouTube channel. Just like we're doing here on Money Shift, you can start a YouTube channel using your phone. Talk about things you're passionate about, or create faceless videos using stock footage and free editing tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Monetize through ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Which hustle are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Remember, the goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter.